everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Today we're going to focus on a Pong game, which we have a ball, which is a basketball, and our player, which is a straight line. You can hold down Shift and use the line and make a sticker. Okay, so for the player, we need to do some repositioning. Go to x0, y minus 145, and set x to mouse x. And that's it for our player script. Now for the basketball, we can edit something. Then go to the motion block, do some repositioning once more, and do some pick random stuff. And maybe we can do that with the direction too. Now for the forever, we can move 7 steps if you want, and if on edge, bounce. Make a variable called velocity, which I call it v. We can set v to 7, and we can move these steps. In the backdrop part, you can just do a bit of editing and do a wait block in 1 second, and you're going to change v by 0.05. So this must be a global variable. And we're going to add if, then we're going to add one more turn block, which is turn 180 degrees, and repeat until not something. Move 10 steps. And then we are going to add another variable for all sprites called score. We're going to set score to 0, and then change score by 1. So now it still doesn't sense the player. So now we can do something more. We can duplicate the player and add as AI, but it has the same codes with the player. Edit the codes. So we can delete this, and we can add a blind block and a wait block. And do, in the sensing part, we can set this at X position of basketball and Y to itself, which is 145 in the situation. So now we're going to add in the basketball, if touching player or touching AI, which we can use this block. We're going to duplicate this and move into repeat until. As you can see, it zooms over. Okay, now we're going to do something. Is if 2 of them and smaller and larger, we're going to do these at the right side. This one is going to be player for the smaller, and the other one, which is bigger, we're going to do AI, and both put Y position. Then we're going to add another sprite. Now we have a sprite called text. We have one that says AI wins and one called player wins. At first, we can hide this and 2 show blocks. After, we're going to go into the basketball again. We're going to broadcast 2 new messages, which is in the smaller part called lose. So, and another called win, which is going to be some messages between 2 sprites, multiple sprites. We're going to switch costume to costume 2 in the lose, which is the AI win, and the other costume 1. So now, and then we're going to set it to stop this script. So now it cannot move anymore. As for the player and the AI, when we receive both messages, we're going to stop other scripts and sprites as well for both messages. Whoops, we set that to X, we're going to set it to Y. Since finally we got this running. Maybe you can speed it up by using the V. We can try to speed it up because we already did. Maybe if we set V to 10, can add more a speed run. Add more of the speed run. So the game gets more intense gradually. And when you win, which is when you win or lose, point in another direction where the player wins. And now in this situation, we'll figure out how to lose, which I still don't know. Now the AI wins. Maybe if we set back to 10 or 7, we'll get another speed. Well, that's it for our tutorial on a Pong game. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.